Come on, open that window. Hi, are you eating chicken now? You are telling us. Sydney, Australia. How are you doing, Sydney? Good evening, my friend. How is Australia today? I know everywhere will be glittering with Christmas lights. How are you doing? See, Ogute want to say hello to you. See, Mr. Uche.
Hello. How are you?
So how are
Hi. Happy Xmas.
In advance.
New Year in advance.
Christmas never reached. Now tomorrow.
Happy Xmas.
Just smash the like button for you. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Tomorrow I'll be showing you all our Christmas cookies, our delicious meals. I think tomorrow you go hot for my kitchen. Sydney, thank the lights, thank you, okay?
Hey.
Yes, ma'am. I don't mind what was you.
Hey. Television.
You got what to do television. Hello. Lisa, baby. Lisa, darling. Lisa, how far? You don't prep your own finish.
Everyone has said it, huh?
I'm behind the scene preparing the spices. You are seeing a window, Paul. Get away from that window. The children are making someone to shout. So I'm behind the scene, arranging the spices. Eager heart, Lisa, waiting this up. Please don't forget to give me a like, guys. So I don't watch my Hajimia. Because said I had not really snagged with city Hajim. Now that will look at that one. I want this dog.
Yeah, come here. Yeah, what? I'm going to sit after.
Yes, so cooking for big family tomorrow. And some other, we invited our extended families to come around. Are you ready to rub it? What do you want? You give me a hand, I didn't want to. Come on, you put a minute here. Okay. Thank you. Don't upset the lady with the knife. Wallahi, I no go upset am. Because tomorrow choke, I don't upset am, abeg. Make it no land where I don't suppose land. I don't fish out. Wallahi, they don't bomb me when make upset am right now. Some people for the teeth where I can. Okay. You know we are baking our cake at the center because tomorrow oríṣiríṣi food go dey. Guys, have you watched my last video? If you want to prevent unwanted something, go and watch that video.